Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the device and files. Make sure you have ADB, Fastboot, and the Nothing OS image ready. Enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and allow OEM unlock. These steps let the PC communicate and flash firmware. Once done, connect the device and run a DB devices to confirm a connection. Boot to Fastboot via a DB reboot bootloader, because you need the bootloader unlocked next. This sequence prevents errors and preserves your data before any flashing begins. Once the bootloader is unlocked, you flash the core Nothing OS components. First, verify Fastboot devices lists your phone. Then flash images in order, boot vendor system, use explicit commands like fastboot flash boot boot. img fastboot flash system. img. If the build requires, apply disable verity and disable verification flags to avoid forced encryption conflicts. After each flash, check Fastboot logs for errors and rerun a single failing step rather than repeating all commands. This controls you finish by rebooting and letting the device complete its first boot. This can take 5 to 10 minutes, so be patient. After the system boots, complete the initial setup and restore your backup. Make sure Play services and app permissions are configured for Nothing OS features. If you face a boot loop, try wiping cache and Dalvik, then reflash the single image that failed. If that fails, restore your backup or relock the bootloader only after confirming stable operation. One key tip: keep logs and error codes for diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.